I want to tackle the organizers of the annual Ballon d'Or Award and their decision not to have the award this year, blaming it on the coronavirus and the disruption in football. What nonsense! Now, first of all, there were no World Cup tournaments scheduled for this year, and in the absence of a world tournament, top-level club football is generally used to decide the best players in the world. And despite the interruptions, all the major football leagues across the world, in which all the credible contenders for the award compete, all those leagues have resumed, some of them finished, and the rest will soon be completed. The European Champions League, the Europa League will resume shortly. So the entire club season will eventually be played. Why them can't award a Ballon d'Or winner from those? Yes. I find it a strange coincidence that in a year when the organizer's obvious favorite and six-time winner, Lionel Messi, has been ordinary by his standards and is out of the reckoning, losing the La Liga title and bickering with his club and blah, blah, blah. This is the year them cancel the award. Me find it suspicious. Anyhow, Messi had a good season and was in contention for what would be award number 7. They would have the award and give Messi. Yes. Me wrong or me right? Me wrong or me right? Me know it's me right.